Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing super amazing. So I am Pooja Gupta and I create makeup and fashion related video on my channel. So if you guys are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and let's make this family huge. Also guys, do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I'll upload new video. You can even follow me on all of my social medias. And now guys, without wasting any more further time, let's jump right into the video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all my Sugar Cosmetic haul. So guys, recently मैंने Sugar Cosmetics से थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें ली है because I really love Sugar Cosmetic as a brand because they make such an amazing product. Like the formula is really good, the texture, everything is like to die for. And this is one of my favorite makeup brand. And guys, I cannot stop myself shopping from them. So मैंने कुछ product pick किए हैं. Like I have 5 or 6 product with me, including the free gifts. I really love this point about Sugar Cosmetic is that they always have some sort of offer running on their website. Like if you guys will spend your 500 rupees, you gonna get gift worth rupees 200. And अगर आप 1000 रुपए spend कर रहे हो तो आपको 500 up to 500 की चीज़ें free मिल जाएगी. That is the thing I really love about them. And the one more thing is guys, उनका application भी available है which is on App Store and a Play Store, so you guys can download it. मैं उनकी link app के नाम everything I will put in the bottom bar for you all guys, so you guys can check that out. Also मैं product के नाम भी दे दूंगी कि मैंने क्या लिया है. And one more thing guys, जो भी मैं product आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी, this is purchased by me. ये कोई भी स्पॉन्सर वीडियो नहीं है. मैं अपने थॉट्स एंड रिव्यू शेयर कर रही हूँ थ्रू दिस वीडियो. एंड गाइज, आई थिंक दैट इज इट फॉर द इंट्रोडक्शन. नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द हॉल. I'm gonna start off by the base product first. So guys, here I have the first product. So this is Sugar Cosmetic, the most eligible smoothing primer. So this retails for 799 rupees and you gonna get 25 milliliters of product in it. And guys, इसकी packaging बहुत standard है. It comes in this kind of tube packaging, very convenient and very travel friendly. And Sugar Cosmetic के आपको सारे products की packaging black color के theme में मिल जाएगी, which is really chic at the same time because I really love black color. And coming back to this product you guys, so अगर आपने Benefit Cosmetic Primer try किया हुआ है, then you must be knowing this is exactly the dupe of that because it perform exactly like same. The only difference is that the Benefit one have very thick in consistency and this is bit light and उसमें fragrance है and इसमें कोई भी fragrance नहीं है. Other than that, this perform equally. It really blurs out all of your pores. Also it make your skin smooth and make your makeup last long. So I really love this primer. So if you guys are really looking for a good primer, then you guys try this primer out. This is amazing. मैं इसका आपको texture दिखा देती हूँ guys. So you guys can see this is how this primer look. So guys, it have this nude and peach sort of color in it which also gonna neutralize your skin at the same time. So guys, this blends out so easily. Also it is like a silicone based primer but it have some tint to it. And मुझे इसकी एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगती है that it make your skin so smooth and so blurry. So I really love this primer. So guys, मैंने इस primer के साथ दो product और लिया था where Sugar were having an amazing offer called where आप 1399 में कोई भी 3 full size प्रोडक्ट पिक कर सकते हो. सो मैंने एक ये लिया था एंड द 2 अदर प्रोडक्ट विच आई विल बी शोइंग यू नेक्स्ट. सो आई रियली लव इट. ऑल्सो गाइस, द वन थिंग आई रियली वांट टू मेंशन अबाउट दिस प्राइमर इज इफ यू हैव ऑयली स्किन और आपकी स्वेटी स्किन है तो ये प्राइमर बहुत अच्छा काम करने वाला है आपके स्किन पे बिकॉज व्हाट इट डज इट रियली हेल्प्स टू कंट्रोल दी ऑयलीनेस. प्लस आपको अगर स्वेट की भी प्रॉब्लम है ये प्राइमर आपकी स्वेट भी कंट्रोल करेगा. सो गाइस, अगर आप कोई भी मेकअप कर रहे हो तो यू ऑलवेज मेक श्योर यू अप्लाई अ गुड लेयर ऑफ प्राइमर बिकॉज प्राइमर इज सच एन इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप इन मेकअप. समटाइम गाइस लोग प्राइमर यूज नहीं करते हैं एंड दे हैव अ कंप्लेन दैट द फाउंडेशन डजंट सिट वेल. दे ऑल्सो से कि हमारा फाउंडेशन पूरा केकअप हो जाता है. द रीजन बीइंग यू गाइस डोंट यूज प्राइमर. सो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आप एक अच्छा सा प्राइमर यूज कर लीजिए. आई विल हाईली सजेस्ट यू टू ट्राई दिस प्राइमर आउट एंड दिस प्राइमर इज अमेजिंग. एंड गाइज ऑब्वियसली फेस्टिव सीजन आ गए हैं एंड इफ यू गाइज आर प्लानिंग टू पिक अ मेकअप, आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि आप एक बार Sugar Cosmetic ट्राई कीजिए अगर आपने नहीं किया हुआ है तो बिकॉज आई रियली लव देयर प्रोडक्ट. सो दैट वॉज इट अबाउट दिस वन. So guys, the next item I have with me which is again a base product and that is this one. So this is a Sugar Cosmetic Face Forward Contour Stick and I'm in the shade 01 Fawn First. So guys, मैंने इसको I think अपने कोई recent वीडियो में यूज़ किया हुआ था and guys again I really love it. The packaging is again very standard. It comes in this kind of cardboard box and it retails for 799 rupees and you're gonna get 9 grams of product in it. So guys, since very long time I wanted to try a contour stick and मैंने कीको मिलानो के contour stick में अपने पैसे इन्वेस्ट किए थे and it was totally waste of money because I really don't like it at all. Then guys, I saw कि Sugar ने ये लॉन्च किया है and since very longer time मुझे ये लेना था but again guys this is for 799 rupees, very expensive. So I was really waiting कि अगर शुगर पे कोई सेल आएगी, that time I will invest my money in this. मैंने इसे सेल में पिक किया है and I'm really glad कि I have invested my money in this product because this product is really amazing. So guys, this comes in this kind of packaging. It have this retractable sort of packaging and guys, this is how the color look like. मैंने इसे एक या दो बार यूज कर लिया है, that is why it is dirty on the top, and the packaging is really convenient and really travel friendly. So आप इसे अपने साथ carry कर सकते हो. So this is how the shade look like. So this is shade number 01. I think they are available in two shade, that is 1 and 2. Another one I don't know, but you guys can check that out if your skin tone matches with that. But if you're close to my skin tone, आप ये try out कर सकते हैं. So guys, whenever you're going for contouring, you always make sure you use a cool tone product like this. So because what contouring do is it really emphasize your face structure, and whereas guys bronzer helps to add warmth to your face. So guys, this is a cool tone product and I'll give you the swatch. So guys, this is how the shade is. This is a shade number 1. So you guys can definitely try this out if you guys are my skin tone or 1 or 2 shade darker or a lighter. आप ये try out कर सकते हो and this guys blend out really amazing. I'll show you. Guys, आप इसको अपने फिंगर के हेल्प से भी ब्लेंड कर सकते हो. इट इज़ दैट मच ईजी एंड आई रियली लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. अगेन गाइस, आई एम गोना सजेस्ट यू कि आप इसे एक बार ट्राई आउट कीजिए इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड कॉन्टूरिंग. वन मोर थिंग आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि अगर शुगर पे कोई सेल होगी, दैट टाइम ओनली यू इन्वेस्ट योर मनी इन दिस, सो इट विल वर्थ एवरी पेनी. Yeah guys, that was it. The next product I have with me, which is from the same offer, which is this one. So this is a lip product and this is a matte attack transfer proof lipstick in the shade Tan Helen 05. Again guys, the packaging is really standard. So guys, it retails for 700 rupees, 699 rupees, and you're gonna get 2 grams of product in it. So guys, the inner packaging really remind me of ColourPop lippies. So guys, this is how the inside package look like. Again guys, मैंने इसे कल ही यूज किया था and I really love it. So guys, I'll talk about the packaging. It comes in this kind of packaging. So it is like a frosted matte sort of outer packaging it have, plus it is a retractable sort of lipstick and you're gonna get this much of product. And if you guys are watching me since beginning, you must be knowing how much I love nude color, brown color. I really love them and I can wear them my whole life honestly. So this shade really resemble that. So it is such a nice warm and reddish brown color which gonna look amazing on all skin type. You guys, आप इसे definitely try out कर सकते हो if you guys are looking for a nice rich brown color. So guys, the formula of this lipstick is really amazing. Like it is like a cream to matte formula. So once you apply this, it gonna stay in cream and after some second it dries down into matte and it gonna last a good amount of time. Yes guys, I'm not kidding you all, it gonna last good amount of time and I really love this lipstick and मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैंने इसमें अपने पैसे डाले हैं. दिस इज़ बिट एक्सपेंसिव बट अगर आपको इस ऑफर में इसे लोगे तो अगेन आपको ये बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल रेंज में मिल जाएगा. So I will show you the shade. So guys, this is how the shade look like. So guys, this lipstick appears like maroon color, dark wine color, brown color and so much, but exactly it is like a brown, rich brown color. I don't know why camera में आपको ये ऐसे क्यों दिख रहा है, but in general this is such a nice brown color. You guys can definitely try this lipstick out if you are looking for a good lipstick. Also this is very 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 long lasting. Okay guys, so this was the product which I have purchased in first offer. So guys, the next item I have, वो भी मैंने ऑफर में लिया है. So मैंने कुछ 1000 रुपये स्पेंड किए थे एंड मुझे उस पर 999 की प्रोडक्ट एज अ गिफ्ट फ्री मिली थी, वेयर आई विल शोइंग यू नेक्स्ट. सो हियर आई हैव दिस वन. सो मैंने यही परचेस किया था. सो दिस इज अ पावर क्ले SPF 20 BB कुशन फाउंडेशन एंड आई एम इन द शेड 10 लाटे. सो गाइज मुझे कुशन BB क्रीम बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. द रीज़न बीइंग गाइज, दे आर सुपर लाइट वेट, दे blends really easily, also it really gives good amount of coverage that you need on a daily basis. So that is the reason I invested my money on this. So this is so guys, this retail for 1099, 1100 rupees and you gonna get 12 grams of product in it. Again guys, आप अगर इसे कोई अच्छे ऑफर में लोगे तो ये आपको बहुत कम में पड़ेगा. ये थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है but guys it is worth the money because this product is really amazing. So guys, I'll show you the inside packaging. So again, it comes in this kind of cardboard box with mentioning all of the detail on the back side and the actual product look like this. The packaging is really sturdy and really chic. I really love it. So it comes with this magnetic closure, you guys can see. Yeah, and here you will get a full फुल साइज मिरर एंड उसके साथ आपको ये एक अच्छी क्वालिटी का स्पंज भी मिल जाएगा एंड हियर यू विल फाइंड योर एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट। गाइज द शेड इज रियली अमेजिंग, इट गोना परफेक्टली सूट मी। सो अगेन गाइज अगर आप मेरी स्किन टोन से हो तो आप इसे ट्राई आउट कर सकते हो एंड गाइज ऑल्सो दे हैव अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ शेड इन दिस रेंज, सो you guys can definitely check this out according to your skin tone and according to your skin type. Also these are really long lasting, so I'll give you the swatch. मैं इसको normally अपने हाथ से swatch कर रही हूँ. So guys, this is how the shade look like and it has such a nice warm undertone to it. I really love my foundation to be on a warmer and a yellower side and I really love it. मैं I always prefer my foundation in a warmer side and guys Sugar Cosmetic के जितने भी base के product होते हैं उनके undertone काफ़ी ज़्यादा amazing होते हैं. It's like they are really meant for the Indian skin tone because usually Indian के skin tones होते हैं they are more on the warmer side, like a yellow undertone उनका होता है, so they have good shade range. इनके काफ़ी ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन अवेलेबल है, स्टिक फाउंडेशन अवेलेबल है, लिक्विड फाउंडेशन अवेलेबल है एंड दे हैव एन नंबर ऑफ शेड इन देम. अभी भी उनके वेबसाइट पे कोई ना कोई अच्छी ऑफर चल रही होगी, सो यू गाइज कैन डेफिनेटली चेक दैट आउट. सो गाइज इसके साथ मुझे एक फ्री गिफ्ट मिला था एंड यू गाइज आई जस्ट लव दैट फ्री गिफ्ट बिकॉज दैट फ्री गिफ्ट इज रियली अमेजिंग. इट इज लाइक मेरा पैसा वसूल हो गया, आई विल टेल यू. सो गाइज दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट विच आई हैव रिसीव्ड एज अ फ्री गिफ्ट. सो इफ यू गाइज विल चेक दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 999 rupees and this is a set of 4 liquid lipstick. This is in a miniature version. So guys, this is how the box look like. It is such a nice sturdy box and here it says that sugar minis. If you guys are like me जो एक lipstick कभी खत्म नहीं कर सकता, then you should definitely invest your money in this because guys the quality, the quantity, everything of this lipstick is really amazing because each product retails for 199 rupees which is amazing. So आपको 200 रुपए में एक मिनी लिपस्टिक मिल जाएगी and obviously guys ये बहुत टाइम तक लास्ट लॉन्ग करेगा because again the quantity is really justified. And guys अगर आप बड़ी लिपस्टिक लेते हो हाफ ऑफ द लिपस्टिक आपकी वेस्ट हो जाती है बिकॉज अगर आप जब तक उसे आधा यूज़ करते हो तब तक वो लिपस्टिक एक्सपायर हो जाती है. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई विल हाईली सजेस्ट कि आप अपने पैसे इस तरह के छोटे लिपस्टिक में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. प्लस देयर इज़ वन मोर बेनिफिट कि आपको बहुत सारे कलर ऐसे एक बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे. सो दैट इज़ रियली अ प्लस पॉइंट अबाउट दिस थिंग. सो गाइस मेरे पास यहाँ पे 4 शेड है विच वन इज़ दिस ब्रेजन रेजिन 01. Then we have this 07 Rethink Pink and then I have this Wine and Shine 08 and guys 12 I have a Dawn Fawn. So guys here is the 4 lipstick and guys मैं आपको एक लिपस्टिक की पैकेजिंग दिखा देती हूँ कि how cute and how teeny tiny this is and it really have my heart honestly. And these are something जो आप अपने साथ अपने वॉलेट में भी कैरी कर सकते हो just to quickly touch up your lips. So this is how it looks like. ये इस तरह के पैकेजिंग में आता है and this is really tiny and really cute. I really love it. And guys this is how the applicator look like. It comes in this doe foot kind of applicator which gonna make your lipstick application easy. I'll give you the swatch as well. So guys this is how this shade look like and this is in a shade Brazen Raisin 01. So this is such a nice deep red pinkish red sort of color which gonna definitely look amazing on all of the Indian skin tone. So yes guys I will highly suggest you guys कि आप ये वाले ऑफर का ज़रूर से ज़रूर फ़ायदा उठाए कि whereas you gonna spend your money like you gonna spend 1000 rupees on something and you gonna get gift worth rupees 999. It is totally worth it you guys. So guys that was it about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video and guys do let me know in my comment section which was your favorite product throughout the haul. I really love to hear from you all guys and that was it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then bye, see ya, take care. And one more thing guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Do share with your friends and family and guys like कर दीजिए and support to my channel. It really means world to me. And now guys I'll see you in my next video. Till then bye, see ya, take care and see you soon.